Okay, today's trade recap. Traded two stocks, FRAN and GHSI. So I was negative on FRAN, $130, and then GHSI, I realized $1,080. So my net P&L, $800, $803.63. So ECN fees are pretty high. So 21 tickets, 30,000 shares total. I took bigger share sizes in GHSI because it was trading under $2. So I take a little bit bigger size considering how cheap the stock was. I normally don't take this big a size, but today I did. So it just halted and I just got out of the halt. So go over the daily here. Obviously I can keep trading this stock, but I hit my daily goal. So I'm just going to walk away green. I was already red on one stock. So I had a nice gap up, and it's hitting resistance right here. Let's see, around the... Oh, where'd it go? There we go. Anyway, it's hitting resistance on the daily. So let's say around the 211 mark. Sorry, what's this here? Yeah, 211. Yeah, it's going crazy right now. So it is what it is. I'm not gonna risk. This stock was tricky to trade to begin with, so I'm not gonna risk anymore. So market opened. Actually didn't like this pre-market. So then I noticed it was pushing up like crazy. Market opened, and this thing just pushed up, and then it made a bull flag here. It was real choppy. People were taking profit. So bought here. Actually sold here for a loss of $30, and then I bought back in. Added, and I noticed it started to curl back up, and so I stayed patient. And this was actually a 6,000 share position, and I sold for $1,080 profit. But that's that on GHSI. So FRAN. We'll go over this trade. See, this pre-market was grinding up. It's trending up. I actually like this pre-market a lot better. Had a good volume. So I noticed it was stepping up. So I jumped in actually pre-market because I got home. I just was gonna try to trade pre-market and go to sleep because I got to go back to work at noon. So and I've been up since yesterday working. So jumped in here, pushed up. Actually did a high of 554. Should have sold here, and I just held. Added here, sold here, made $120 right here. So then the market opened, I just sold off. I bought the pullback. It pushed up and just kept selling off. This was a hotkey mistake. I actually went to supposed to add here and actually sold. And so I jumped back in and then I sold. So I was at a loss there. And then I think it was like $110. And then washed out again. I know this was stepping down. The reason why I jumped back in here because this is the 50% pullback of this green move. So this is, I went from 361 to 554. So this is one green bar, pull back 50%. That's why I bought in right here. Bought in for the confirmation in the break that it held support here. It tested it twice. It was pushing up, and then I should have sold here. I was trying to see if it pushed back up a little bit more, and then once it broke the 50%, I sold real quick. Took a loss, $130. It is what it is. My net pay nil again is $803.63. So try to stick to smaller share size next time I trade. But just glad I ended the day green. So, and that is my trade recap on the 17th.